Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the battery on this Samsung soundbar remote control here. The battery you need is a CR2032. This one doesn't actually need replacing, we're doing this purely for the video. So you're going to need a coin, and you may need a bit of a screwdriver depending on how long it's been or how dirty the remote control is. It's not that easy to actually take the cover off. So you turn it around here, and this is the cover here. We need to get a coin. You can see at the moment it's vertical. We do actually have little markings here, so you have a little dot on this circular bit, and we have little markings around the edge here. We want to line up this dot with that tiny little symbol just there. But basically you just need to get your coin, and you need to go counterclockwise about 1/8 of a turn there, and that will allow this to come out. But yours might be stuck, so if yours is stuck, you might have to get a screwdriver, and you might have to just try to lever it out from here like so. And this is your battery here. So it's a 2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, you want the positive to be facing up. So your remote controls like that, you want the positive to be facing up. If you have a close look in here, you can also say it says CR2032, just in case for whatever reason you haven't got a battery in yours. That's the one that you want there, CR2032. So we're going to be placing in the battery like so, with the positive facing up, and then we're going to be lining up that little bit on the battery with the little symbol just here. So don't put it on vertically because it's not going to go. Put it like that, and then it's going to kind of click down into place like so. And then we just need to get the coin and move this clockwise to make it vertical, and everything sits nicely there. So just counterclockwise, hopefully you'll be able to take it out with your finger, and then you'll change out the battery, put it in there like so, line the little bit up there with there, put it into place, and then turn that like so. Make sure you dispose of the old battery responsibly and safely. Do not leave it lying around where a child or somebody might swallow it, because then it could lead to death. So dispose of it properly. But that's it. As you can see, once you line up the little dot, it becomes easy to replace the battery. Thanks for watching.